Hey, this is Mike, and I'm just giving an update about Workhorse. Workhorse is crashing almost 10%. Yesterday, it popped high and then it finished down for the day, and now it's accelerating losses. So, what's going on? Well, Workhorse, it was rumored that they were going to get the big US Post Office contract that was going to be for about $8 billion. It was supposed to be announced today. Nothing is being announced. The post office said it's delaying its decision. Now, if you follow my channel, a day ago, I came out with this video, a warning about Workhorse stock. And I was warning because what you want to do with these stocks is you buy the rumor and sell the news. So if you had owned the stock 2 days ago and you made 5 or 10%, you sell before the actual news about whether they get the contract or they don't get the contract comes out. Because when the news comes out, whether it's good or it's bad, the stock always drops. So it's very, very important when you get yourself into a trade, you're hearing news about a merger or about a company getting a big contract or a company coming out with a big product, you always want to, get in, make a quick profit and get out. The only exception I would say is if you're into the stock long term and you don't care what happens day to day. So not only that, also Roth Capital has reduced Workhorse from a buy to a neutral. So you're getting some analyst notes. But the real big thing here is just whether the news was going to come out good or bad, Workhorse was going to drop because the news is essentially bad that the U.S. Post Office is delaying the decision. That's bad news. And I'll look at the chart. I don't know how far. Well, Workhorse will have support around 22, so maybe it can fall another 10%. But if you're in it for the long term, you just might as well just ride this out. And I know it stinks, but let this be a lesson. Like I've learned these lessons. When I was a new investor, I would buy into rumors of something, and when the news came out, I would still hold on to the stock, and the stock would drop. I remember times when Apple was coming out with their first iPhone, the stock ran up like 50%. And then when the iPhone was introduced, when Steve Jobs introduced the iPhone, Apple stock dropped, and people were just shocked about that. And that was kind of the lesson. You always buy the rumor and sell the news. If there's any other news coming out about Workhorse, I'll put out an alert video or whatever. But like I said, it is bad news if you're holding Workhorse long, but just consider it a lesson to be learned. I've learned this lesson in the past, so it's okay. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.